I know what you guys are thinking. Who on earth is so nerdy about Japanese stationery that they will have reviewed dozens of mechanical pencils? Well, y'all are looking at her. Today we're taking a look at the Pilot S series, and I'm actually having difficulty finding this one on Amazon. I'm not super sure why. It seems like it'd be a good all-rounder. So this is a 0.7 millimeter pencil, which is important to point out because often with Japanese pencils, I have difficulty finding anything larger than 0.5 millimeter. It's from Pilot, and those of you who watch this channel religiously know I review a lot of Pilot products. It has a lead indicator in the cap, which kind of makes it that really nice, sweet halfway spot between, just plastic mechanical pencil and an actual factual drafting pencil. It does have a plastic body as well as a rubberized grip, but it has a metal collar, metal clip, and a lead indicator, which is pretty sweet. I paid $9.95 for this at Maido, probably a couple years ago when I was in San Francisco. So we're going to start off with the writing test because when this artist reviews mechanical pencils, she likes to put them through her paces, and this thing writes decently well. The grip is fairly comfortable. It feels sturdily built. It doesn't seem like there's much give in the feed. Now, I like this one so much that I am going to try to dig up a non-Amazon source for you guys to get this one from. I am sure one of the many, many stationery providers out on the internet carries this thing. It erases fairly well, but I wouldn't recommend using the eraser as it's short. And once it's even shorter and more difficult to remove, you won't be able to refill the pencil itself. So now that we've done the writing test, let's move on to the drawing test. And we start out by doing a little bit of front loading using some Pilot Color, mechanical lead. And I have no affiliation with Pilot. They just make good products and I happen to like a lot of them. So this one is a decent sketcher, if a bit hefty. It reminds me of a drafting pencil, but with a better grip. And since it's plastic, it's lighter in the hand. So I have said this a million times. I'm going to say this though for the new folks. I gave myself early onset arthritis by using metal drafting pencils. I have a heavy grip. I have a heavy hand. I tend to bear down. And when I'm drawing for super long periods of time. And that just kind of ruined my hand health. I should have used comfortable rubberized grips. I shouldn't have used metal pencils all the time for everything. So now I kind of have the viewpoint that I'd rather break the pencil than break my hand. So I have been checking out the world of plastic pencils. And I gotta say, there's a lot of really good ones, and Pilot makes a lot of really good mechanical pencils. I love Pentel. I've reviewed a lot of Pentel, but Pentel is very accessible in the US, which I love, and you can find Pentel products all over the place. I want to see more Pilot pencils in stores. I was almost hoping I'd start my stutter there, but no, I don't know why. I was able to get that sentence out so crisp, so clean. Oh well, even making fun of myself a little bit just fails to happen. So, like I said, this one is a pretty decent sketcher. If you're looking for something that's kind of a cross between a drafting pencil and a lightweight mechanical pencil, this might be the best fit for you. The only problem is, I'd be careful what age range I buy this from because really cool, really cute pencils do have a tendency to disappear with younger students. If you're careless, if you tend to leave your pencils behind, if you tend to be forgetful like me, you might not want to get this one until you can hold on to your pencils a little bit better because it'd be a real shame to lose this pencil. And I'm just thinking about past middle school Becca and how sad she would have been to lose this precious, precious pencil. High school Becca had it figured out though. All right, so moving on to the actual drawing test where we use actual factual graphite. This thing is way better as a drawing pencil than it was as a sketching pencil. The weight allows for good momentum and it's comfortable in the hand. The grip doesn't have much give, but it's better than straight up plastic, which we've seen in a lot of cheap pencils. In general, this is a good all-rounder pencil, although it's not the best fit for someone with grip issues or who needs additional cushion in their pencils. That said, Pilot makes the Dr. Grip series which are very cushy and very comfortable. So really, Pilot kind of has something for everybody. They also have some really cute Dr. Grip pencils. While the grip doesn't have much give, it is rubberized and more comfortable than many of the other mechanical pencils I've tested in the past. The eraser is fairly small, so this isn't necessarily a good fit as a school pencil unless you're in the habit of carrying around spare erasers, and I was, and that's still me, so it's actually not that uncommon, and there are some good standalone erasers on the market. If you guys are curious, I can tell y'all about those as well. If you're looking for a good mechanical pencil for drawing and sketching, this is more comfortable and about on par with several drafting pencils, and frankly, it doesn't look half shabby either. So the Pilot S series is a great mechanical pencil that is almost a drafting pencil. While it does have a primarily plastic body, there are metal accents that add stability, and the rubberized grip makes it more comfortable in the hand. It's not just going to slide around on you. Pilot is known for making quality stationery products, and they did not miss with this hit. So the only downside is it's a little bit difficult to find the S series. Please, 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 Pilot, make your mechanical pencils more accessible in the US. I think if you offer a wider range, you'll find the customer base is there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you like the Pilot S series, let me know down in the comments below. Or if you've got a stationery source that you'd like to share, let me know that as well. I will caveat, please don't recommend jet pens. I've tried jet pens, not really a fan, but anything else, I'm open to anything else. Let me know down in the comments below. And if you've got a favorite mechanical pencil that I haven't yet reviewed, let me know. I'm always on the lookout for the next great thing. I'm going to continue my mechanical pencil search until I find the grail of pencils, or until I help everybody find the pencil that's right for them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Pilot S series review. I hope it was helpful, useful, and informative, and I hope to see you guys again really soon. Have a wonderful day, guys. Bye!